Hello, my name is Dan Fashionbauer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an album in a Facebook group. Now I'm one of the administrators of our class reunion Facebook group, and I want to create a photo album containing all of our pictures from our 40-year class reunion. So I'm logged into Facebook and I'm in my Facebook group. I'll come over here and click on Media, click on Create Album. I need to give my album a name. I'm going to call it Class of 75-40-Year Reunion. And then I can click on Upload Photos or Videos to populate that album. So I'll click here. I'll go into the folder where I have all my images. So I'm going to left click on the first image, scroll down to the bottom, and do a shift left click to select all these images and click on Open. And then you'll see the images populate here, and you'll see the status bar as it's uploading all those images. Now it's going to take a little while because I have, I believe, 80 images. Now at this point, you could post them. You could also come in and add a description to each individual image. And you can also come up here and click on these three dots, and you can remove the photo, rotate left, rotate right. And if I scroll down, I'll see all of my images. And then if you hover over this right icon here at the bottom, it gives you the date and time that the image was uploaded. And then if you click on Post, and then it posted all these images into the Class of 75 40-Year Reunion album. So now if I go back to my Facebook group and click on Media again and click on Albums, I'll now see that album that I created, and then I can click on that album and open it up and see all the images that are in there. And then from here, you could add more photos or videos in the future if you want to. So after you post, it does take Facebook several minutes to process the images and post it properly and to have it actually show up as a post in your Facebook group. But this is what it looks like after the post occurs. It puts the first 5 images into a cluster here. So if you click on this, then it takes you into the album where you can walk through each individual image or picture. All right, so that's how you can create an album in a Facebook group and post that album onto your timeline for everybody in your group to see. I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.